like waves, sometimes slow, sometimes loud. But every shade tells a story. This is mine, this is yours, this is rainbow. Woke up in gray sky, looking cold, feeling like dreams left out in the fold. But I sip my coffee, breathe in the day, watching the clouds slowly drift away. Blue on my mind, red in my soul, yellow in memories I used to hold. Paint in my past in a lo-fi hue. Colors don't lie, they just speak truth. We fall, we rise, we bend, we grow. Every moment's a brushstroke on the soul. No rush, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm paint your glow. We're just rainbows in the rain, light in color born from pain. Oh, oh, let the feeling show. Oh, oh, in the highs and lows. We're just rainbows, don't you know? Floating through the undertow. Got purple in pockets from nights I cried, orange like fire I keep inside, green for the growth I never planned, and pink for peace I hold in my hands. No need to rush, no need to hide. The rain gave me roots, the sun gave me pride. We're not broken, we're blooming slow. Every scar a color we now show. No black and white, just depth and flow. Keep your colors close, let the darkness go. We're just rainbows in the rain.